Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fusion key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This simple DIY task will restore full functionality to your key fob, ensuring reliable remote access to your vehicle. It's a quick and easy fix that anyone can accomplish with just a few steps. To begin, find the small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully pry it out using your screwdriver or fingernail. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting the positive and negative sides. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Finally, take your key fob to your Ford Fusion and test all its functions, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.